Hello everyone, my name is Radhika and I'm working as a software developer engineer in Valuebound. Valuebound specializes in digital transformation, cloud native application development, DevOps, Drupal, and enterprise CMS development and project consulting and management. We also have a team of 100 plus full stack developer. We have offices in North America and Asia. We also have 100 plus clients across Asia, Australia, and United States. And we also deliver cloud native developments using a pod based delivery model. In today's session, we will gonna see how we can send our Docker image to Amazon ECR. So let's start the session. Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how we can push our Docker image into Amazon ECR. So first I'm going to open my folder. Now inside my folder, here I've created the Docker file, and inside this you can see from node 13 and working directory name Docker AWS because my folder name is Docker AWS, and here run npm install for installing the package and expose 3000 cmd server.js, and inside my server.js I'm using express app. And now moving towards my Amazon console, here first we need to create the IAM user with permissions. Because for push our Docker image into Amazon ECR, we need to first select some permissions, give some permission to our user. For that, click on this user. Now add user. In the username, you can give whatever you want. For now, test user. Click on the next. Now attach policies directly. Now inside the permission policy, search for Amazon EC2R. Amazon EC2 container. Amazon EC2 container registry full access. Yeah, so select this one, and second one is Amazon Elastic Container Registry Public Service. This is read only. This is power. So we can directly search from here. Amazon Elastic Container Registry Public Full Access. Yeah, so select this one also. Now you can see two policies attached. Now click on the next. Now create user. So you can see user is created with the name test user. Now go to the security credentials. Inside this, create access key, and you can select application running outside AWS. Now you can give it for ECR. Now access key is created, you can see here. Now first, now what we need to do, we need to install the AWS CLI. You can install it from there according to your system requirement. I already installed the AWS CLI. So in the new terminal, I would type AWS configure. Now in the AWS access key ID, copy this access key from here and paste it here. Now copy this secret access key and paste it. Now make it default. Now go to your folder and now go to the Amazon ECR. Search for ECR. Now, Amazon ECR is Elastic Container Registry, which is used for share and deploy container software publicly or privately. Now, click on the Get Started for creating a repo. So, I will create a new repo. So, create a new repo and give it name as private, and then click on the Create Repository. Now, this is my repo where I'm going to push my image. Now select this one. So click here, view push commands. Now copy this first one for login, and I'm just copying this and paste it into my terminal. Now if you have permission, you will get a message that login succeed. That means I've successfully logged in with my IM user. Now I can push my image into ECR. So what I have to do is I just need to build the image, and for building the image I have to copy this second one. Now paste it. Okay, I forget to open the Docker. Uh, Before building the Docker image, we have to run our Docker desktop on our machine. Now again run this command. Now you can see it's building our image. Now copy the third one. Now copy the fourth one. This is for push the Docker image into Amazon ECR. So paste it here. Now you can see it is pushing our image into Amazon ECR. Wait for some time. It will take 5 or 10 minutes. Now close this one. Okay, it is still in progress. As I said, it will take time, like 5 or 10 minutes. The last step. Yeah, it is almost done. It is showing no images to display because it is still in progress. When it's done, you can see the push. You can see the image here. Okay, just refresh it. Yeah, it's pushed. Now you can again refresh it. Yeah, now you can see your Docker image into ECR. This is the image tag latest, and this is the URI, and this is the size, the repo name private, and the time pushed at 10th May. Yeah, so we pushed our Docker image into Amazon ECR as you can see here. Thank you.